16th of August, the day that Anna Hazare took on the government over his massively popular anti-corruption movement. Ironically, on the same day, Bhopal-based RTI activist Shaila Masood lost her life while campaigning against corruption using the RTI Act. Masood headed the Madhya Pradesh chapter of Anna Hazare's agitation, and that afternoon itself, she was supposed to lead an anti-corruption protest in the city. But as she exited her house at 11 a.m., someone was waiting for her. Even before Masood could start her car, she was shot at from a very close range. A 3.5-centimeter bullet fired from a .315 bore revolver pierced her windpipe, turning her into a lifeless corpse in no time. No signs of struggle, no one heard a shot, no trace of the assailants. Amazingly, for the 3 weeks that the Bhopal police handled the Masood file, it did a splendid job of botching up the case.
Police failed miserably. I don't know if this was intentional, a deliberate thing, that they initially, just this next day of the murder, named it as suicide. That's when we were alarmed as a family, and we realized that we should demand for CBI.
When it was pointed out that threats to Shaila Masood had even come from the Chief Minister's office, Shivraj Singh Chauhan went into a silent mode.
सर, ये शैला मसूद का लास्ट इंटरव्यू था. इसमें इन्होंने सीएम हाउस पे भी आरोप लगाया है. इसमें देखिए आप इंटरव्यू में सीएम हाउस पे आरोप लग रहा है. From environmental issues to income tax returns of VIPs, Masood's habit of asking uncomfortable questions earned her many enemies, from politicians to the mining mafia.
हाँ, शैला ने छतरपुर में रियो टिंटो कंपनी जो वहाँ पर हीरा के लिए माइनिंग के लिए उसको परमिशन मिली है, उसके बारे में उसने इन्फॉर्मेशन मांगी थी, क्योंकि वहाँ पर काफ़ी सारी नदियों में पॉल्यूशन हो रहा था और कई जंगल बहुत सारे संख्या में बर्बाद हो रहे थे.
So who got Shaila bumped off? That question may remain unanswered, as after the Bhopal police, now it's the turn of the CBI to grope in the dark.
This is reconstruction of the scene of crime. This is still in progress. So I will not be able to sum it up at this stage of time. But we are trying to reconstruct the whole thing as it would have likely happened on the fateful day when the incident took place.
Of course, Shaila Masood won't be the first unsolved case of an RTI murder. She joins the list of a dozen other activists who have been done to death in the last 2 years, and most of the cases remain unsolved, the perpetrators unpunished. Another brutal RTI murder was that of 38-year-old Satish Shetty, who shot to fame after exposing corrupt land deals and illegal constructions in Lonavala and the Pimpri-Chinchwad area.
When Satish Shetty tried to obtain information of land acquired by some companies for highways without anybody's permission or anybody's consent, and the documents were registered. When Satish Shetty got that information, he obtained all the information. After that, somebody gave him thought, somebody gave him some offers, but he rejected those offers.
Like Shaila Masood, Shetty knew that there was a threat to his life, specifically since he had taken on the powerful builders. He even filed an application at the Talegaon police station claiming a threat to his life.